Hi everybody, welcome back to my another video. So let's talk about how to fix Life360 seeing wrong time zone. So let me tell you guys, Life360 does not have its own internal time zone settings. It simply pulls the time and date directly from your phone's operating system. So if the app is displaying the wrong time zone, you will need to adjust the settings on the device itself. So to fix your phone's time zone, what you have to do is go to your device settings and then go to General. Once you go to General, select Date and Time. Now, toggle off the set automatically and then select the correct time zone and then toggle set automatically back on. Now, the next what you can do is verify your device region. Sometimes your device may accidentally map to the wrong country or region, which confuses location and time data. So what you're going to have to do is go to your device setting one more time and then go to General. Now scroll down and go to Language and Region. Now choose the preferred language and the region from your screen. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you like this video. See you in my next one.